don't snoop. Don't snoop. You're gonna not like her anymore. Don't snoop. Don't snoop. You're making me snoop and I don't like it.
All this time and I had no idea.
Ethan, what's the matter?
I thought I meant something to you.
Listen,
You're a pretty good nurse for a fucking journalist!
Ethan,
Easy, pal. There's nowhere to go. You're surrounded.
Jump.
Holy fuck!
GTA, motherfucker. Sorry.
Hey, what's the matter with you?
Go, 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 go. Lauren, wake up. Lauren, wake up. I don't like this. Lauren, wake up. Oh. Gotta wake up, gotta wake up, gotta wake up, gotta wake up, gotta wake up. Oh shit, he came prepared. Oh! John, wake up in this bitch, okay? You trying to drown me? I'm John Wick, motherfucker!
He's innocent! He's not a killer! Not a killer!
But you are, apparently!
Oh. You're a fuck. Oh. Stop. Stop. I beg you.
You try to drown me, bitch! You are gonna die!
That boy, Gordy killed. No one will miss him. He was street trash, like so many others. Oh, you disgusting pile of
You
shit.
disgust me, sir.
My heart! My heart! Quick! I need my pills. In that drawer. There.
I want him to die, but... Fine. Here, take your goddamn pills.
Thank you. You saved my life.
Mm-hmm.
I already regret it.
Me too. But you know that's being better than him, okay? That's being fucking better than him. You try to kill me? Should have killed you. Kind-hearted. Ha ha ha. I get it. If you had a heart attack, kind-hearted. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. 4 point... Wow. It's almost 5 inches. Emergency reception.
only a few hours left before Sean Mars dies. Hope I'm not wasting my time. Hello, I'm looking for Anne Shepard's room. Please sign the visitor's book.
Okay.
Are you a member of the family? Yeah, you could
can
say
see
that. Oh, she'll be pleased to have a visitor. No one ever comes to see her.
Oh.
With the Alzheimer's, she has trouble remembering things, but it'll still please her, you know. It's room 19 at the end of the corridor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alzheimer's? Shit.
Room 19. Where is that?
Down in the hall. She literally just said that. Alzheimer's? That sucks. We're not gonna get any information if she has Alzheimer's. What is that? 17, 15. 18, 16. So it should be one more down. Should be on this side. No? Where the fuck is it? Oh, here it is. 19, there we go.
Hello, Mrs. Shepherd.
Is it time for my pills already?
No, ma'am.
No, Mrs. Shepherd,
They're never on time with my pills. I don't know what they do here. In the other hospital, they were always on time. But here,
My name is Madison Page. I'm a journalist. I'd like to ask you some questions about your son.
I don't like this hospital. The food isn't very good, you know.
Yeah. Mrs. Shepherd.
Do you remember John?
My Johnny. He's a good little boy, you know.
Yeah.
I know what happened at Carnaby Square. Do you remember?
Carnaby Square. I think I used to live there a long time ago. We didn't have much money at the time, you know.
Yeah,
We had to make do with very little.
I understand. What about...
You had a son named John, and John had a twin brother.
Do you know his
Do
name?
you have my pills? It's time for my pills.
Mrs. Shepherd.
Your other son, Mrs. Shepherd, John's twin brother.
Can you
What was his
remember?
name?
What other son? Oh, I have no other son. I never had any children.
Try to remember, Mrs. Shepherd.
Please.
John's twin brother was placed with a foster family after the accident. What was the name of the foster family?
I asked them for a television, you know. They said I didn't have enough money. It's a pity. I'm fond of television.
I think your son is in trouble, Mrs. Shepherd. He's done some terrible things. I need to find him. Do you understand?
Terrible things you're telling me. He never came to see me, can you believe it? In 10 years, never. No one forgets their mother, do they?
No, ma'am, but why don't you tell me who he
Mrs. Shepherd,
is?
your son may be linked to a series of murders. Perhaps you have some information that could help the investigation.
Are you a new nurse? Where are my pills?
God damn you, girl! She's not gonna give me any information. There we go. I hate this game. There we go. I like Crane. I always wanted to learn origami. Oh, you know what? No. No, no, no. Put it down. It's a dog, right? It's a dog, not a crane. Oh no, that's closing the book. Open the book. I'm going this way. Okay, cool. Hummingbird, no. It's a dog, right? It's a dog, right? If not, we have many pieces of paper, so. A triangle. Down. Come on. I got it. Triangle. Up, down. L1. Right.
Oh, you know how to do these little dogs, too. My
Yeah.
children loved origami.
Yeah.
I taught them how to do it. John loved the little dogs. He always wanted to call them Max. Max, Max, Max. All dogs with the same name. I was wasting my time telling him they couldn't all have the same name. But he always wanted his paper dog's Max. It's funny, isn't it?
Very. What other things can I help?
Did you make these origami figures?
My little paper animals. They played with them for hours. I showed my boys how to make them, you know.
Yes, your boys, Mrs. Shepherd. John and... what was your other son's name again?
My other son? I only had one son, my little Johnny.
You don't seem to get many flowers, Mrs. Shepherd.
No, but I love them. My son knows that I love flowers.
Are they orchids?
I know he'll bring me some.
Are orchids your favorite? I'm guessing orchids are your favorite. Oh, perfect. A picture of the two boys.
Are these your children, Mrs. Shepherd? John and his brother? Is that them?
They're good little boys. Their father never looked after them. Always drinking. They didn't have an easy life, you know.
Yeah, I can bet.
Her memory is coming back. Don't stop now. Just remember.
No, I don't want to look at myself.
It'd take days, if not longer, to find the name of the family that adopted her son. Sean Mars would be dead by then. This woman might be the origami killer's mother. Must be some way to get her to remember. All right, no point in wasting my time. I won't learn anything more by staying here. All right, no point in wasting my time. I won't learn anything more by staying here.
Well, I did all I can. That's a shame.
Does Mrs. Shepherd ever talk about her past?
It's not all very clear to her now. Sometimes she'll remember the oddest things, though. I suppose if she sees something that reminds her of her past.
Did she ever mention her sons?
Sons? Well, she often mentions John. I think he drowned.
Does she ever talk about her other son?
I didn't know she had another one. I've never heard her mention it.
I'm looking for her other son. He was adopted. I mean, he's probably changed his name. Is there any official documentation on Mrs. Shepherd?
No, there's nothing really. Nothing about her family. I guess if her son was adopted, then she's the only one who could tell you about that. Sometimes, if you show her things, it seems to trigger a memory from her past.
Memory of past, I know, but
You
I
might
don't...
get her to remember.
Thanks for the advice.
I don't know what to show her. What do I show her? Flowers? Can we find some orchids? Are those orchids? These are orchids, right? I'm not a big flower person. The only couple of flowers I know is sunflowers and roses, and that's about it. Pretty generic, but maybe if we give her an orchid, because I'm guessing that's her favorite flower. then maybe she'll remember.
What a lovely orchid. My sons loved orchids.
Yeah?
We used to grow them in the back. When John died, I laid orchids on his grave. I cried when they told me I'd already lost one of my children, and now they were taking away another one, you understand.
Yeah. Do you know
The foster family, Mrs. Shepherd. What was the name of the foster family that adopted John's brother?
They were really very nice people. I met them, you know.
Yeah,
In the beginning, I used to go and see my little boy.
yeah.
And then I got sick and I couldn't go any longer.
Aww.
Perhaps he thought I'd forgotten him.
Aww.
He must have thought I didn't love him anymore.
Don't say that. But what was the name
His name,
of the
Mrs.
family?
Shepherd. What was his name?
But I loved him.
I understand.
If you only knew how much I missed him.
Please, Anne. His name. What was his name?
Come closer.
What? Madison, what is it? Girl, you better tell me. What is it? What? Tell me the fucking name. Madison, tell me the fucking name. Tell me the goddamn name. Damn it. What's the name? Tony. Fuck you, Tony. I'm thinking of memes all now. Now I can only think of memes. What's the fucking name? Last letters. This is a very nice setup. What do we have to do?
The last trial. The last question. Are you prepared to give your life to save your son? There is a deadly poison in this vial. It will kill you in exactly 60 minutes. If you drink it, you will get the last letters of the address. You will have enough time to save your son and say goodbye to him, but then you will die. You can drink the vial or decide to leave. The choice is yours.
You have to be fucking kidding me! Okay. Even if it tells me the last of the letters, right? And we get there in time, God knows how. It's just like, there's no way we can get there in time to say goodbye to our son. There's no way. And I think it really is poison, you know? I truly think this little vial is full of poison. Because all the tests have been real, you know? I've really shot off my finger. I've really killed someone, you know? I really got injured going through the electrified maze. I have to drink it. If it kills me, it kills me, but at least I get to see my son and I can say goodbye to him. It's messed up, but, you know. You know, it'd be weird. What if they're holding Sean in the same place John's brother died. That just clicked to me. Let's do it. If I'm gonna die saving my son.
The last letters have been sent to your phone.
Theodore Roosevelt Road. Okay, we have to quickly get there. We have to run like hell, drive like hell.
I did what I had to, Sean. Your dad's coming to save you.
Come on, Nathan. Let's go. So messed up.
We've only got a few more hours left to save Sean Mars. There has to be a goddamn clue somewhere. It's probably staring me in the face. This kid's gonna die, and I'm going around in circles!
All packed up and ready to go?
What are you talking about?
The investigation's over. We know who did it. We no longer need your services anymore, Norman. So you can ride your files all the way back to Washington. I'd be lying if I said I was gonna miss you.
Fuck you, Blake. How about that?
The investigation isn't over. You have absolutely nothing on Mars.
Mars is guilty. Case closed. Anyway, it's no concern of yours now. You're off the case. So pack up and fuck off.
Well, you don't have really the authority to tell me that, really. The captain does.
Blake, you are an unbalanced, psychopathic asshole.
Yeah!
I'll take that as a compliment. Honestly, I don't give a shit what you think. I found the origami killer. Everyone's happy. End of story.
Origami, you
Have a nice
fucking...
trip back, Norman.
His name is Batman! He's Batman. He won't give up because he's Batman. Come on, Norman. Come on.
The killer's name is here. Somewhere in this data. I just have to find it. Find it before it's too late.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you know what.
Can be dangerous.
It will be dangerous. Very dangerous.
It's the only way to...
It'll end up killing you.
There has to be something.
Harry was in record mode when I was fighting with the killer. Perhaps there's something on it. old watch. I'm sure I've seen this before somewhere.
Wait.
The watch they give for promotions to lieutenants.
lieutenants.
The killer is a cop.
But it can't be him, but he's
The gun
such an
was killer
asshole,
left
but
in the lagoon. Perhaps there's some way of tracing its history.
right.
Impounded in a police case 5 years ago, the gun is still supposed to be in police custody. Who checked it out? If not a cop.
Oh, gee. Is there... Is there anything else on here that might also help? Besides the watch? Because if we're gonna accuse him, we have to, like... But the thing is... It doesn't look like him.
The sword was already in Paco's office. It's got nothing to do with the killer.
He's
Looks
such an
like the
asshole.
killer is a cop. Carter Blake!
Yeah,
That would
but...
explain the dead-end investigation and his desire to frame Ethan Mars.
Right, but still... Here's the thing, I want to accuse Blake because he's an asshole, but I don't want to be wrong. Investigate further. There has to be something else, like maybe in the files or something. There has to be something else. Like we have to make sure it's really Blake, because if it's not, then it's just gonna be like. I don't know what to do.
There was always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found.
Right.
And all the victims disappeared in the fall.
Like, I don't know, like... Can we look up where he lives? Or something? Shit. I think we gotta go with our gut. We gotta get out of here. 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 Okay, we gotta get out. We gotta get out. We gotta get out. We gotta get out. Like, here's the thing. I don't... No, but get out, get out, get out, get out. Hold on, let me pause. Like, if we say it's him and it's not him, we're gonna lose our job, but I don't want him to go through this, like, oh, it's so hard. Let's give up. Okay, I don't want him to die. Let's give up, Batman. Let's give up, Batman. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I can't go on.
I'm sorry, Batman. I really try. I don't want you to die.
I can't go on.
I really don't want you to die. You're a really good guy, but I don't want to accuse him if he's not really guilty, you know? I don't know what to do. If there's something I could have done to figure it out, leave it down below.
Let me stay with you, Scott. I don't want to go.
Look,
It's
it'll
not
only
safe
take
for
a
her.
few days. Long enough to get this resolved.
I can't just wait while you confront my son's killer.
It's the only way, Lord. Trust us. Now go stay with your mother for a few days. I'll come and get you when this is over.
Tell me who the origami killer is. I want to know who killed my son.
Listen, when I'm done, I'll tell you everything I know. I promise.
I'm happy for him. I really am. I really hope you know who he is, Shelby, because I don't. Neither Batman knows. Why are we seeing this again?
I'll get help. Just hang on. Go on, hurry. I think the water's rising. I'm hurrying. I'll be right back.
Why am I back here?
Mom's work is too far away. I'd never make it in time. Hold on, bro. I'll find someone. Then we'll come back and save you. Gotta find someone. The water's still rising. John won't be able to hang on for long. Dad, I've gotta get Dad. He's the only one who can save John. Gotta move. Dad, it's John. He fell into the pot.
Oh,
He's
get out of
drowning.
here, you little pest. Leave me
Just
alone.
come, Dad. Come on, John's gonna die. John's gonna
Well,
die.
that'll be one less greedy mouth to feed, won't it? Go away.
Please, Dad, I'm begging you. John's gonna die. John's gonna
What
die,
did I
Dad.
tell you? Crap!
Please, Dad. You've got to save John. I tried, John. I really tried. But he wouldn't come. Please don't die, John. Please. Don't forget about this guy.
Scotty, like Scott? Like Scott Shelby? Hold the fuck up. Oh, no. You are telling... Okay, you're telling me right now that not only have I been helping the killer do his dirt... Why was he... How... Like... Was he getting rid of evidence that he ever existed? That... Like, why would he go to the victims, like, parents? Like, why would he do that? Like, to see the aftermath of what he's done? Like, I don't... Was it that obvious and I didn't figure it out? wants to kill her? Why? Do we have sympathy over him? The fuck? It makes sense. He was a cop. He was a police officer, but then he quit. And because of his brother dying, he has more free time on his hands. And because he's a personal detective, he doesn't get really noticed that much. But who killed Manfred in the shop? It wasn't him. We were controlling him. It must have been some other guy, some other person. But, like, I hate to leave you and myself on a quick cliffhanger, but I think that's it. That's gonna be it for today. Like, I don't want it to be it. I really, really don't. But I think that's gonna be it for today. I know you hate me, but I gotta think on this. I gotta think on this, guys. My world just got turned upside down. Was it that obvious? What was it that obvious and I was just dumb? Down below in the comments, was it obvious? Like, leave a like, subscribe, tell me if it was that obvious. Down below. This has been M.A.D.D.Y. I don't know, but that was just, wow.